On the right side of the screen, we can see pectineus right here. So that is that muscle that is found in the groin area. And it will originate on the pectineal line of the pubis bone right here. And we've already discussed where it's going to be inserting. If you trace the fibers, you can kind of see that happening anyways. But it will be inserting on the pectineal line of the femur. What pectineus is going to be doing is adduction of the femur. And we could imagine if this contracted, if this insertion right here got shorter and came closer to the origin, this femur is going to get closer to the body. And that's what adduction of the femur means. It's also going to flex the thigh as well. So it's going to bring it upward. Pectineus is also going to be innervated by the femoral nerve. Tensor fasciae latae is going to be found right here on the anterior lateral hip. So in this picture, we are looking directly from the outside. And so we see gluteus maximus and medius right here. So this little muscle right here is the tensor fasciae latae. Now, where tensor fasciae latae is going to originate is on the anterior superior iliac spine. And that's what you see happening right here. So there's the anterior superior iliac spine, and there's our muscle originating. And we mentioned this briefly earlier, but it's going to be inserting into something called the iliotibial tract or iliotibial band. And that is this aponeurosis that you see right here. Tensor fasciae latae, what its action is it's going to do medial rotation of the thigh. So it's going to be helping the thigh turn inward. And it's also going to be involved with abduction of the thigh. So if this contracted, you can imagine the thigh going away from the body. Tensor fasciae latae is going to be innervated by superior gluteal nerve. And if you'll recall, superior gluteal nerve also innervates gluteus medius right here. And gluteus medius was also a muscle that abduct or abduct the thigh. So a lot of times you'll see this happen where muscles that do the same actions are innervated by the same nerves. Here is a reminder to go over those OIAs and I's in your lab manual found on page 29. And also for chapter 4, they are found on page 42 and 43. That is going to complete all the muscles of chapter 3. In our next video, we will cover all of the vessels and nerves.